Breaking business news. There is a huge boost in the works for the struggling skydiving industry. Lifty is a Montreal-based startup company developing autonomous electric quadrocopters optimised for vertical ascent and specifically designed for skydivers. Lifty Quadros carry their passengers upwards with surpassing speed, safety and efficiency. Affordable, compact, lightweight, cheap to maintain, easy to operate and green, charged by a solar panel. Lifty Quadros are the perfect solution for current skydiving centres that are unable to attract new customers due to their high-cost operations and time-consuming services. Lifty is also planning to produce small and autonomous short-range electric planes to replace Dropzone's fleet of outdated fuel-gulping aircrafts. Lifty hopes to partner with the USPA and with their collaboration make the skydiving industry completely green by 2030.